summer.
What's up guys, it's your boy J921 here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some DIY hydro dipping. So first off, we got my Xbox 360 controller. And what I've decided to do for that is we're going to do it some gold, and we're going to be doing black. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure you shake them both up really good. Caps off. And then you're just going to spray on top of the water. Now for some gold. And that should swirl around a bit. Add a little bit more black. Alright. Now I'm going to dip my controller in. I don't know how I should hold this. Just going to... It looks pretty sweet. Just dip it in again. That honestly looks really cool. Stop it. Look at that. Stop it. Now, we're going to be doing some fidget spinners. Now, I'm going to have to shout out my boy, Rush Zion, for this one. He gave me this fidget spinner to dip for him. And he requested red and black, but I could not find red, so I'm going to do like a metallic gray and yellow. So I'm going to spray metallic gray on the water. If I can get it to work. Okay. And now, actually, I think we'll do green. Alright. Spray some green on there. Okay, now a little bit more gray. Hate this stupid one. There's not enough green. Okay, and dunking. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks really cool. Next, we're going to be doing my white fidget spinner. So we're going to do blue and black again. Now I want us to be majorly blue, so I'll do blue first. Now there's still a little bit of gray from the last one, but it's okay. Some gray, blue, and black would be cool. And we just want a little bit of black, bit of speckled. Okay, now we're going to dip my white spinner into this mixture. Whoa, that's sweet. Missed the spot there. Camera. And for my final one, we're going to be doing my black fidget spinner. We're going to do yellow and a metallic gray. So I think I kind of want it to be majorly gray, so we'll do the gray first. Okay, I think that's a good amount of gray. And now let's do some yellow. Give it a little swirl. And now, black spinner. Whoa, that looks so cool. Look at that. Alright, So, safety precaution for this video. If you do this at home, make sure you have glasses and a respirator. I am doing this inside. That is why I'm wearing this. If you do it outside, you may not need one, but I'd wear one anyway. And then if you guys want to win one of these items, if this video gets to 25 likes, I'll be doing a giveaway. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. J-Dog out!